Good morning everyone, how are you today? Hope that you are fine. Today we are going to have clauses of result, the grammar lesson for 5th primary, lesson 2D. Now before we start, I want to tell you that when we want to indicate the result of an action or a situation, we can use a clause of result. Clauses of results are introduced by so that or such, a or an, that. Now please, I want you to move with me to slide number 2 in order to see how can we use so or such, or why we use them. We use so or such to express both the cause and the result, or a cause or an effect of a situation in a sentence. Now please move to slide number 3 to see the form of so that and such that. Although they have the same job, but they are different a little bit in usage. So is a very thin word. It comes only with the adjective or an adverb, plus that, plus a result. Let me give you an example. This machine works so loudly that I have a headache. This machine works so loudly, this is the first part of the sentence and this is the cause. That I have a headache, this is the second part of the sentence and this is the result or the effect. And as you see here, so loudly that. Loudly here is an adverb. So if I'm having an adverb or only an adjective, we use so that. Let's have another one. He was so bored that he left before the end of the film. Now here I am having the first part of the sentence, he was so bored, and this is the cause. That he left before the end of the film, and this is the effect or the result. And so bored here is an adjective, and as we said before, that so can come with an adjective or with an adverb. Let's move to such that. Such is a little bit fat word. It eats 2 meals. What are the 2 meals that we have? Such, a or an, plus adjective, plus noun. So let me give you an example to elaborate what we have said. It was such a good movie that many people watched it. A good movie here, good is an adjective, and movie here is a noun. So it was such a good movie. This is the cause, that many people watched it, and this is the result. It was such a hot day that we all went swimming. It was such a hot day, and this is the cause. That we all went swimming, and this is the result. And I think it's such an easy lesson to apply, and I want you please to move to slide number 4 in order to apply what we have said here for the questions. Join the following sentences with using so that or such that. Let's start with question number 1. Tamer is a good player. He can play in every team. A good player. I want you please to underline a good player. And write, a good is an adjective, player here is a noun. So which one that we are going to use? Very good, such. So Tamer is such a good player that he can play in every team. Cheetahs are fast. Nobody can catch them. Okay. Fast here is an adjective, is only an adjective. So we are going to use so. Very good. So before the adjective, then we use that. So I want you please to circle fast and put so that before and after the word, and the answer is going to be as following. Cheetahs are so fast that nobody can catch them. Let's move to question number 3. Layla tells funny jokes. It's fun to listen to her. Funny jokes, very good. Funny jokes here is an adjective and a noun, so you're going to put such, a, and that before and after the word funny jokes. I want you please to circle it. So Layla tells such funny jokes that it's fun to listen to her. Is this right? Is this right? Okay, here we have got 2 parts. The first is right, that we are going to use such, but we can't put a. Why? Because here I'm talking about funny jokes, many jokes, so I can't put a. So pay attention to a very important thing. If I have an adjective and a noun, so you are going to use such. But you should pay attention to the noun if the noun is singular or plural. So here I can't say, Layla tells such a funny jokes. It's nonsense. It's very wrong. So Layla tells such funny jokes that it's fun to listen to her. This was a trick. Okay, let's move to question number 4. This is a nice house. We will move her. Nice house, adjective and a noun. So you are going to use such. And it's a nice house, so you are going to use very good as. So we are going to say, this is such a nice house that we will move here. Number 5, the meeting is important. Julia doesn't want to miss it. Huh? Important, very good. It's only one word. So we are going to use so, very good. So the meeting is so important that Julia doesn't want to miss it. I hope that you really enjoyed this easy lesson. Thank you very much, and I'm going to meet you back in the next lesson.